Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm back again with an amazing resource for you guys. In today's video, I'm gonna share 200 plus YouTube playlists for all the tech topics, yes, and some other domains like for finance or UI UX. So before starting the video, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe and turn on the bell icon if you need career related resources. Yes, if you're planning to learn anything, you don't have to spend any money. I'm gonna share all the resources for free. You just have to learn and make some projects to excel it. So in this curated list, you will get the playlist for the topics like AI, ML, okay, and then you will get for programming related resources YouTube playlist. Then you will get related to cloud and DevOps and related to data science, okay, design and creative like video editing, animation, okay, and then you will get business and finance related YouTube playlists like Scrum Master, business computing, stock chart analysis, and many more. Okay, cybersecurity related YouTube playlist. So all these will redirect you to playlist where you can start learning. Yes, just bookmark it. So this is added in A to Z placement kit. If you don't have this kit, save it now. You will get all the placement resources here. Like here in the first tab, you will get all the tools which can be very helpful in your placement journey, like tools like roadmaps, technical skills, a platform where you can learn soft skills, technical tool mastery, research and market intelligence, time management, productive tools, strengthen your profile like GitHub and any of the blogging site, professional certificate where you can get, okay, portfolio website and many more resources which is very helpful for your placement journey and if you are looking for a job, okay. And then you have other tabs like roadmaps, interview question, interview experience. All these are curated by me and I will add more resources to this A to Z placement kit. If you need any particular resource, you can give the feedback in the first tab. Then you have a startup list, 3000 plus startup list I have curated where you can visit to their career portal and find hundreds of jobs. Okay, then you have some free courses with certificate. These are the platform where you can get free courses with certificate. Then you have lead code resources, AI resources for founders, best DSA resources, everything. Now I'm gonna add one more tab for GitHub repositories, although I have already added, but I'm gonna add more. Okay. Also, there's a GitHub repository where you have some code, and in that website, you'll get the curated YouTube playlist. So you can also bookmark this, or you can contribute to this project. Just go to GitHub, do some changes, add some new features, or add some YouTube playlist, okay, to help the community. If you found this, then you can sponsor it as well. So yeah, all the resources will be in the comment section or in the description. Do let me know if you need any particular resource, because through your feedback I'm able to improve myself and share the best resources for you guys. Okay, also on the Let's Code portal you'll get all the resources related to placement journey like PYQs, roadmaps, and here you also have AI tools where you can improve your uh, interview skills. Like you will get all the topics interview questions, MCQ question which you can practice for free. Yes, like programming, tech stack, DSA, aptitude, everything. And then you have a resume optimizer. You can check ADS score. You can also optimize it. Just upload and paste the job description. It will tell you what you can improve. Many more resources, startup list, interview experience, which can be very helpful. Go check it out. All the links will be in the description. If this video was helpful, do like and subscribe. Thank you.